Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to create templates inside PDF Maker using Airtable extension. So after you install the extension in your Airtable base, you'll see something like this. To create a template, go to Templates tab. Here click on Create New Template. Wait a few seconds and here you will see a Google Doc file. Here you can create your template. So in order to create template, we have few things. First, let's just save the template. Okay, so after saving the template, you can see here there is another option. Here you can replace your Google Doc. By clicking on this, you can import your existing Google Doc or Word file. After importing your Google Doc or Word file, the process would be exactly same. Let's say you have imported your Google Doc file or Word file. After that, let's say you have to add this contract ID. Just copy it using the command Ctrl+C or Command+C and then paste it inside the document. This is how you use text fields like text placeholders in your template. To add dynamic images, go to this tab, Dynamic Images, and here you will see all the attachment fields. And you can read here as well. Make sure you have image in your attachment field, and if you have multiple images, then we'll only use the first image. So we don't have any attachment fields which has images, so let's create one. Let's close this, and here let me create a new field of attachment and name it as contract image. Okay, and let me add an image here. Okay, I'm adding this image. Now click here. Here you'll see contact image. Yeah, I misspelled it, sorry. And here you can specify the width of the image, and the height will be adjusted based on the width. So let's fix the width and then copy it using the shortcut and paste it right here. Now you have the image. Let's add the dynamic table now. Yeah, this can be used for line items. So to create a line item or dynamic table, this will be useful for invoices where you have line items and you don't know how many rows there will be. So click on Create New Line Item Table and here select the link record fields. As you can see here, we don't have any link to another record field. This is why it is blank. Now let's create one. Link to another record. We only have one table, so let me select the certificate and create field. And here let me add few records. Okay. Now enter full screen mode, and here you will get the field now which we just created, and here click on Add Line Item Table. Now you have few steps to follow in order to have the line item. First is to insert a new table. Let's insert a new table. You can also use your existing ones. Now we have the first step completed. The second is you can have text fields. Let's have one name, copy it, paste it here. So you can also add your image fields. Right now we don't have any kind of images in this table, so I'm skipping that, but you can use image fields just the way you you use image fields here. It's the same thing. Let's have email, and other is status, I think. After you're done with the second step, let's move to third step, which is the most important. To make it work, this is required, and it's 3.1. The step 3.1 says just copy it and paste it before the first column placeholder. As you can see here, we followed the example. We copied the text, and after that there is the placeholder. And in the step 3.2, just copy it and paste it in the last column after the placeholder. As you can see here, placeholder, then there is the symbol, and we are done. This is how you add dynamic table or line item tables. After you're done, just update the template and you're good to go. First we learned how to add text placeholders, then image placeholders and line item tables or dynamic tables. After you're done, just update the template and close it. And let's see the preview for this template. I'm selecting this template, would it be the new one we just created, and let's click on preview. It will take like a couple of seconds and our preview will be generated. As you can see here, our text field has been updated with the value, our image is present from the field, and our table is here. So we have added 2 records, that's why it is 2, and this is blank because there is no value in that field. So this is how you create templates inside PDF Maker Airtable Extension. Thank you.